Alright, in this video I'm going to show you just how to do the first box here. So it says use these equations to solve for x and y. So just like we were doing earlier, you need to find the variable that's totally by itself, which in this case is the x. And since that's the variable that I know what it equals to, it equals y plus 4, that's what I'm going to substitute into my other equation. So I'm going to drag this x here and just let go. And it's going to replace it with what x is equal to, which is, like I said before, is y plus 4. And now I can start solving this. So I just click on the parentheses to make them go away. I'm going to drag that back up, combine my like terms, start isolating my variable, drag the -2 over, and then I get that y is equal to -4. So I have half of my answer. To get the other half, I just need to go back to my other equation. And now that I know that y is equal to -4, I can just put the -4 right there where the y was, click on the parentheses, click on the plus sign, and I get that x is equal to 0.